Hi everybody, today I have this fantastic opportunity to show you around this spacious, beautifully presented 4-bedroom semi-detached property on Leamington Road. You'll see as I've just come in there, I have come in through the electric gate which opens this space up here for multiple cars. We do have the opportunity for a charging point here as well, as you can see the current owners do have. Let's head inside and take a look. So as you come in through the main door here, you're greeted with this large and welcoming entrance hallway. We have an understairs toilet just there which was only fitted around a year ago, and to the right we head into this lovely gorgeous kitchen which I believe is around 5 years old. So we've got integrated appliances in here, a mix of wall and base units as well, a large double glazed window letting a lot of light in. This is an absolutely amazing space for a family just here. We've got doors out to the rear garden, and then we have this really well thought through flowing kitchen and diner which goes into this lovely extension at the back. This extension here is around 8 years old. As you can see, we've got your bifolding doors, 2 Velux ceiling roofs there, which is fantastic. And I will just spin around so you can have another nosy this way. It's a really lovely room. You've got to come in here to really feel it, but it's nice and warm with the sun coming in just there as well. I'll just head out to the back garden so you can take a look at this. To the right is the side of the property, which has got a couple of sheds and stuff for storage just there. Just show you here. So we've got your sheds and then access to the front. Place for your bins here, you can see that extension just there. And then through to this lovely garden area, you can see the sun coming in. Got this patio area here. And then this nice corner garden plot, but I'll just spin around so you can see the property. We've had a double-storey extension to the side, and then this extension here at the bottom. It's really lovely, you know, ultra modern throughout. A lot of entertaining space here for family over and things. Yeah, we'll just head in and take a look at the rest of the property. So just coming back through this area here then. Really lovely space. And then we'll just head up the stairs. Okay. So we're just heading up there. So we'll start on the right. So the right is obviously the extension. Love that the stairs split when you get to the top there. So this is the bedroom here. It's got 2 large windows letting a lot of light in. And then we have this fabulous walk-in wardrobe just off this bedroom. Again, you can see the sun coming through there. Lots of space for storage. You know, this could be adapted to anything else if you wanted it to be. Head over the landing then. To the right is the 4th bed here. Really nice condition. 3rd bedroom here, overlooking the rear of the property again. You can see the sunshine coming through just there. And then we have the 2nd bedroom here. Really nice space. Bay window in here. I'll just spin around so you can have a look. See the size. And then finally we've got the bathroom, which is approximately 3 or 4 years old here. Really lovely modern bathroom, fully tiled, integrated shower just there, along with your L-shaped bath as well. If you would like any more information, please do give us a call on 0161 707 4900. Thank you for watching.